Hello guys, this is Bushra, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to create a 3D book cover just like this one, the markup in Canva. However, we're gonna use one other website and with Canva, because what I learned, Canva has smart markups inside of that, but sometimes the measurement of your page and markups do not align. So for that purpose, I mostly use the website called, let me see if you can see it. It's doityourselfbookcovers.com, and there we're gonna do 3D markups. So you go to book cover. This is the doityourselfbookcover.com/3D markups. So the first step is that you're gonna pick composite or single. So I recommend doing single unless you are promoting your Kindle book, which is, this is good for Kindle. But most of the time I have in the past did this. My husband brought this point up. If I go composite, so look at these phones are really old phones. So, it does not look that professional. I don't know. My husband is a computer engineer, more geeky, so maybe he thinks different than I do. But when I considered, I thought, yeah, that looks a little off. So I mostly pick single, and I go with, if the book is paperback, then you should definitely present paperback. Okay. Otherwise, I mostly go with this hardcover. And then after that, once you select it, then you're gonna go, you can do any of that, it's up to you, but I am going with this one. Then we're gonna upload our cover. Let's say this one, because this is the one I am showing you guys. So, and then you click on upload, and this is that beautiful cover I created for one of my planner. You guys have seen this planner. It was like, and thank you to Canva. Canva has given me 1 month free because of this planner I posted in the group, and it was really a big hit. So here we're gonna go next. Okay, and then we're gonna click on PNG. I don't like JPEG. PNG would be with a clear background. Once you click on PNG, then you click over here. So now your book is ready. It is going to look something like this. Okay, let's say I'm actually going to bring it. This is my book. So I got it here. I already had it. That's why I did not want to upload it, but oh well. So then I use a markup. I can tell you the size. This is my Shopify store markup. So once you have this, then you try to create whatever your color scheme is, use that color and create the book. Looks really nice, but I'm gonna show you a little different. See, this does not look that vibrant and pretty as it was looking right here. So there is a little trick I do. Here is what I do. So I'm gonna go edit image, and then I am going to do, I think setting here, I'm gonna do 40, and then here I probably do 23, something like that. So you see how vibrant and beautiful it looks, because that's how actual the book looks. This printout planners exactly looks like that. It's so gorgeous. I have ordered my own planner, my husband did, so it's really pretty. So then you just make the size bigger. No need to add any drop shadow in it, because you actually already are doing like there is already a drop shadow, so it just looks off if you add more drop shadow in the drop shadow section. Okay, and then I like to like show something about my book. This is, I just shared that I published my first KDP low content book. I was so proud today. And you know so then put your website, however you wanted to say, whatever the book is about. The exact planner I used to pay 137 in debt, we really did pay $137,000 using this planner, which was a chicken scratch. Then I just used a little PNG to just make it pretty, some stars here and some tape and like sticky notes. You can make a mock-up. This is another little sonol, but whatever this plant name is, I'm not good at it. Let me show you now with Canva. How can we do it? Canva is associated with Smart Mockups, but Smart Mockup have kind of different sizing requirements. So I love Canva. Canva has changed my life. Like, I would have never thought that I'd be becoming an author, I will be teaching others, or I will be making money with digital products if it would have not been for Canva, or I would be becoming a graphic designer by my own, and or my clients would make up to 50K while using my products and modifying them to their own. So thank you, Canva. I really enjoy and love Canva. So here is, but there are some things that there is not in Canva's control. Canva trying to make it really worthwhile, but let's go to Smart Mockup. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna use the book mockup. Let's do it. This video I probably wouldn't be editing it, so hopefully it's not too long for you guys. I'm trying to make it as fast as I can. Here, this is the book markup. Okay, come on. It takes forever. Okay, so what's going on? Is it going to do it? Okay, so did you guys notice what I mean? It's gorgeous. It's very pretty. But look, my stuff is, there is living debt free and I have edge to edge room. And there is just not showing, it's showing living debt. Everything is showing, but cutting off this debt. Some people are very picky about things, the way books looks or the cover looks. So, it seems like not a good idea to show like this, the cutting edge. Okay. And if it would have anything over here, my design would have not been really, perfect. Otherwise, it's book. It's great. And then you can use this. Let's do 40 and 23. You can use your own settings. Mine work perfect at 23 or 40 something. Or look at that. I can make it less. I can make it more. However, and I can go up here, make it more darker, however I want it to. So play around with these adjustment or brightness, all these things. I actually like this better than this, but the cutting edge I did not like. So yeah, I used to use this when I did not know a lot of, about this other thingy. But here is how you create your 3D markup. Hope you like the video. And if you really, I hope you benefit the video. And if you really get something out of it, please don't forget to like and share the video. And